Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video I'm going to show you how to log out of Shein application on an iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. If you're logged into your Shein account, and you'd like to log out of it, then from the main homepage of Shein, go to the Me button with the human figure in it at the lower right-hand corner and tap it on. This will take you to your profile. Tap on the gear button in the upper right-hand corner and tap on the Sign Out button beneath. On the next page, once to tap it on, you should see a pop-up appearing. Confirm your selection by tapping on Sign Out one more time. And that is how you can easily log out of Shein account on an application using your iPhone. Pretty simple, isn't it? If you need to log in back again from the same page, tap on the Sign In/Register button at the top and enter your credentials on the next page. That is how you can easily log out of Shein application using your iPhone. I hope that tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.